The District Selection Committee, Southwest Garo Hill, Empathy invites online application for genuine citizen of India. Preference will be given to the local candidates residing permanently in Southwest Garo Hill District, Meghalaya, in which the vacancies occur through the link given in southwestgarohill.gov.in, who are desirous to apply for the post as per the terms of condition of this advertisement. Candidates should read the instruction carefully before making any entry or selecting any options. Candidates should apply the correct details while filling up the form. Mandatory fields are marked with asterisk sign. So these are the instructions. Important number A. It is mandatory for applicants to have acquired the requisite education qualification prescribed for the post as on the last date fixed the submission of the applications. Number B. The date on which an applicant is deemed to have acquired the requisite educational qualification shall be the dates on which the result of the last examination for such qualification or degree is declared by universities or board or institution. Online application will be received up to 17 hours on or 23rd of September 2024, and no application will be entertained after the closing date. So candidates are required to check and update their profile before applying. Note below, the category breakup has been prepared in detail as per the reservation roster white office memorandum. Serial number 1 for the post name, lower division assistant, number of post 16, pay level 5, and category breakup of vacant posts for unreserved 3 posts, Kasi Jenti Angaro 13 posts, and educational qualification for the lower division assistant post, that is SSLC pass with computer certificate or diploma and typing speed not less than 30 words per minute. Number 2, data entry operator, number of post 2, skill pay level 5, and for unreserved 1 post, Kasi Jenti Agaro 1 post. Educational qualification, SLC pass with computer certificate or diploma and typing speed not less than 30 words per minute. And number 3, typist, number of post 2, skill pay level 4, and for unreserved both the number of posts, that is 2, and educational qualification SSLC pass with computer certificate, diploma and typing speed not less than 30 words per minute. Number 4, storekeeper, number of post 1, skill pay level 4, and only for unreserved post, that is 1, and educational qualification SSLC pass. So all candidates who are required to apply for the different posts kindly complete the following qualifications prescribed by the notification. Number 5, post name driver. Number of post 7, skill pay level 3, and for unreserved 2 posts, and Kasi Jenti Angaro 5 posts. And qualification, class 8 pass with valid driving license. Number 6, enumerator. Number of post 1, skill pay level 2, only for Kasi Jenti Angaro, and the qualification SSLC pass. Number 7, grade 4, that is 19 posts, including number of posts of female attendants and number of posts of ward boy. Here the skill pay level 1, and for unreserved 11 posts, Kasi Jaintia 7 posts, other 1 post, and qualification for the grade 4 class 6 pass. Let us continue with this note. Number 1, candidates can apply for the said post, that is 23rd August 2024 up to 23rd September 2024. Candidates who want to apply are required to register themselves with District Selection Committee, that is the DSC, through the link given on the website, that is southwestgarwil.gov.in. Using valid email ID, registered candidate can apply directly by log in into their respective account using their registered email ID. Application received through any other modes will not be accepted and will be summarily rejected. In case of any problem being faced in the processing of the online application, applicants can contact the NIC branch, DC office, Ampati directly in person, on email at dsc southwest garohil at meghalaya.gov.in or dsc southwest garohil at nic.in along with their phone numbers. And age limit for the following posts: candidates should not less than 18 years and not more than 32 years in age as on 1st of January 2024. Upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years in case of scheduled tribe candidates. And the reservation of vacancies is per existing rules of the government of Meghalaya. And now we'll see about the payment of fees. Online payment application may pay the fees of rupees 100, that is 50 rupees for scheduled tribe, using one of the following modes of payment available with an online application, that is the debit card, ATM card, net banking of all major banks, e-challan or UPI. Candidate may option for cash payment at any branch of SBI. For cash payment, please select payment across bank counter and e-challan will be generated. Take a printout of e-challan and make the required payment at any branch of SBI. Please note that you need not submit the e-challan to the DSC branch. However, candidates are required to keep a copy of receipt after payment and produce it at a larger stage if required. For person with physical disability, application examination fees is exempted. All applicants are advised to apply well in advance without waiting for the closing date. So I hope all the candidates who want to apply for the following posts in Southwest Garohil kindly register themselves and apply without waiting for the closing date. And if you are new on my channel and in my videos, kindly please share, like and subscribe for more information about the employment news in days to come.